In today's lesson, we're going to focus on idioms connected to sport. Now, I'm originally from England, I'm from the UK, but now I live in Florida in the United States. And so I thought today would be a good idea to do a lesson about American sports. As you can see, I have my sports jersey, my Tampa Bay Buccaneers jersey. I'm in Tampa Bay, so I support the football team, American football team, the Buccaneers, and I'm English, so I have my cup of tea. But of course, I have my cup of tea in my Tampa Bay Rays cup. Tampa Bay Rays are the baseball team from the Tampa Bay area. So, today's idioms are all connected to baseball and football. Okay, let's get started. Let's get started with some of the baseball idioms. This is a ballpark. Ballpark or ballpark figure. A ballpark figure is a rough estimation or an approximation. The plumber gave us a ballpark figure for the repairs. This is a curveball. Throw someone a curveball. To throw someone a curveball means to say something unexpected or to give somebody some unexpected information. She threw everyone a curveball when she quit her job. On the ball. On the ball means you're alert or you're quick to do something. She was on the ball today and got 100% in her test. Play hardball. To play hardball means to act aggressively in a competitive way because you want to succeed at something. John played hardball to get the marketing contract. This is left field. Out of left field. When someone says something strange or unusual, his ideas about UFOs and aliens are out of left field. This is a base. Touch base. To touch base means to make contact or to renew contact, normally for a short time. Jill and John touched base about their new project. This is a bat. Right off the bat. Right off the bat means to do something immediately or at the beginning. Right off the bat, Jill knew she loved John. This is the plate. To step up to the plate. Step up to the plate means to take action or to take responsibility for something. Sue stepped up to the plate and took care of her sick mother. Now let's look at some idioms that are connected to football. Drop the ball. Drop the ball means to make a mistake or to miss an opportunity. If the boss drops the ball, we'll all lose our jobs. Hand something off. In the game, you hand off the ball. This is to hand off the ball. Hand something off means to give the responsibility or the ownership of something to somebody else. The parents handed off the house to their children. Go the distance. Go the distance means to work hard to finish or complete something. Dan hates school, but he's going the distance to get his diploma. Move the goalposts. These are the goalposts. Move the goalposts means to change the rules or to make something more difficult to win or to succeed at. We expected a pay raise, but then they moved the goalposts. Game plan or to have a game plan. Have a game plan is to have a carefully thought out plan or a strategy to do something. Their game plan was to save money and travel the world. Okay, and that's it for today. So you have some new idioms that you can go out and use. They're all connected to baseball and connected to football. These are all really common idioms that you'll hear especially in the United States. Maybe not so much in England, but in the United States, these are really common idioms that you'll hear all the time. If you enjoyed the lesson, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of these kinds of lessons, don't forget to subscribe.